to my video today, and welcome to another Crafty card kit on the go. I have some projects I want to share with you guys that are super cute this month, and these are the cards that I will be making in my local card class, and that will be coming up in April. But I also like to do a card kit on the go. So this is Crafty card kits on the go. Let me show you what you will get to make when you purchase our Crafty card kits on the go. I team up with a fellow demonstrator, Wendy Cranford, and we do this together. So let's zoom in and take a look at our projects this month. There is this card right here. This was designed by Wendy. When you purchase our Crafty card kits on the go, you get enough to make 2 of each project. So you get 8 projects, and then there are exclusive videos that come along with this, so you'll get to see how to put these together. So you'll get a video from Wendy making her 2 projects, and then you get a video from myself making my 2 projects. Okay, so here is one of her cards. The next one from Wendy is going to look like this. And then from me, we're making this card right here, which is super cute. And then a little treat bag. So you'll have enough supplies to make 2 treat bags. The candy is not included, so you can add your own little goodies into the bag, but you'll get to make 2 of those. So the way this works is you can spend $20 and you can get just the videos. So our exclusive videos, you'll get those and you can make the project. For $25, you will get the kit and the videos to make the projects. So again, you're making 8 projects, and then you'll get the 2 videos. For $34, you will be able to get the kit, the videos, and then you get to choose one of these stamp sets. So you'll get either this stamp set right here, which is the one that Wendy used to create her projects, or you can choose this stamp set, and this is the one that I use to make my projects. So it really is the very best value to get that 3rd option, because then you get a stamp set. Shipping is free. We don't charge shipping. You just get the kit and the projects, and then you can get your stamp set if you would like, and then it's free shipping. This is US only. I'm so sorry, I can only offer this in the US. The options are down below in the YouTube description. You just click on whichever option you want to purchase. They're also on my website. All right, so thank you guys so much for coming by. I hope that you guys will purchase these kits and make these projects. They're super cute. I love what Wendy and I have designed this month. And if you're local to us, I hope you pop in and come to our local class. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and pre-order begins today. So this is a pre-order situation. All the details and information are over on my website. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next video. So much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.